I think it's a very interesting event for us. For us it's quite special because we are from the industry side and in the field of automation and not so much familiar, me myself, with the digital industry. But I think the robotic and the human-machine cooperation will be something in the future where the digital industry and the really 3D manufacturing process will come together.
So this is one of your topics of today, like how can man and robots cooperate, how can they work together? You're seeing a machine right behind you, so the question is, how can they?
Yes, actually today the industrial robots mostly have to be shielded because in a direct cooperation with humans they are too dangerous. So we have to figure out some new technologies how we can avoid a hazard situation actually. And one option is like you can there or see here or there with pneumatic components we have an adjustable stiffness. So this is something, because of the compressed air, this is something which makes robots robust and also in the direct contact with the humans safe, because they just move away and they are not hard like a metal iron robot.
Talking about interaction, how can this look like?
Yes, with this demonstrated the exohand, we have a interface. It's an exoskeleton which I can wear like a glove, and with this interface I can control an artificial hand which is almost the same hardware, just in combination with a silicon hand and a robot. I can control this hand, and what's quite new is that if this hand over there grips something, we can measure the forces and transfer them back, so I can feel with this interface if an artificial hand somewhere else, for example in a dangerous environment, grips something or is in contact with items, for example.
Very impressive. So to speak maybe shortly about the future, how can all this lead us one day?
Yes, there are a lot of things thinkable actually. One thing we think, we cannot use this only in combination with a robot in the real world. We also could use this in the virtual world, for example. So things don't really have to exist. I still can feel them also just in a virtual way, because the forces which would result if I grip something in the virtual world can also be transferred back to this interface. I think this could be quite amazing in the future.
Very interesting aspect. So thank you very much and enjoy the next.
Thank you.